Hi all, this is Samudita from Adya's Kitchenette. Today I will be showing how to extract almond millet milk and how to make a protein powder at home. So for this I am using mixed seeds like melon seeds, pumpkin seeds, watermelon, sesame seeds black and white, and flax seeds and sunflower seeds. I am using 2 cloves for this and 2 cardamom. So I will be adding all these seeds into a grinder along with cloves and green cardamom and grind it into a powder. So our miraculous protein powder is ready. Now for first type of drink I have added water and 2 teaspoons of protein powder. Stir and allow it to boil. Now I have taken 2 separate cups. For one I have added palm jaggery and to other I have added honey to just show you that you can use any choice of your sweetener. And to each glass I have added the prepared decoction. Now for making millet almond milk, I have soaked 10 almonds and 2 tablespoons of little millet for minimum 6 hours. People who don't like millet can skip the millet. Flaxseed is vegan source of omega-3. Pumpkin seeds are rich in zinc and it keeps the pinworms in the way. I have made a smooth paste using almond and soaked millets. When this paste is added to water and boiled, you get almond millet milk. To this you can add choice of essence also if you need. Now to make second type of drink, I am adding the protein powder which I had prepared in the first step to this milk, and I will be stirring it and boiling it along with the choice of sweetener. This powder can be sprinkled over wrap, salad and smoothies. These tiny weeny superfood are rich in protein, fiber, vitamin omega-3 and 6. It helps in weight management basically. The amount depends on whether it is for weight gain or weight loss. So millet almond milk is ready to be served hot or chilled. You can keep it refrigerated for a week and use it whenever you need. You can use choice of sweetener like date syrup, honey, maple syrup, agave syrup. These superfood seeds are rich in fiber, vitamin, folate, copper, zinc. Sunflower seeds are mainly rich in vitamin E, copper and folate. In pregnancy they prescribe folate tablets during pregnancy. So instead of that you can have this. I have garnished with the seeds used for making powder and served chilled. For type 3, the ingredients are dates, 2 tablespoons of protein powder, made from mixed seeds, 1 cup of water and 1 cup of almond milk, or you can use any plant-based milk too, and 2 bananas. You can replace the fruit as well according to your choice. Add them all to the mixie or a juicer. Like I have added banana, dates, protein powder which I had prepared, and almond milk. Water, and blend them up to get your smoothie ball. So this is our smoothie. This can be garnished with exotic fruits, cornflakes, seeds, cocoa powder. Choice is yours. or mix oats and keep it refrigerated and have it like an overnight oats.